Stuart, really appreciate you jumping online, mate.
Oh, thank you so much for inviting me. Very excited.
I know you've got a pretty cool story to tell. 180 Nutrition has been around for quite a while, and obviously our values have aligned in that we're really here to help people. Us with social media marketing, you with people with their overall well-being. And I think you guys are some of the leaders in the space. So maybe, if you could just give a bit of background on, what inspired yourself and way back in the day as well, Guy, I guess, to start this business. And I guess perhaps touch on a little bit about how we've been a part of that journey.
Well, I mean, this would be a decade ago. So 10 years ago, we were, I had a business partner, and we found ourselves in having an opportunity to be able to create a product that essentially, and a category that didn't exist, which was whole food nutrition. And everything on the high street was just toxic. Fillers and thickeners and crazy flavorings, sweeteners, chemicals galore. And so we decided we're going to create our own supplement, like whole food protein supplement, just based out of real food. So real ingredients, crushed and ground, and create a blend that everybody would benefit from using. So irrespective of whether you're pregnant, whether you're elderly person, whether you're an elite athlete, or whether you're just Joe Public like myself. So a product that would benefit you by giving you huge amounts of nutrition very quickly, hence in a smoothie. And then two guys running a business, like just finding their way through social media by, a hope and a prayer, then became really beholden on specialist knowledge. So hence we had to start thinking about, well, who can help us? Like, how are we going to get our message across and reach as many people as we can, whilst not breaking the bank, because now we have to pay for this. And that was when you guys stepped into the picture and started to guide us in terms of what needed to be done to meet Facebook's best practice, but then also put together a really bomb-proof strategy for engagement and targeting new customers, talking to existing customers, and growing our reach and ultimately growing the brand. So that's kind of where we come from to where we are. And as you know, social now, digital has never been more crowded. There are so many eyes, so many distractions. So it's always about finding new and engaging ways to speak to or to try and speak to your prospective customer, your existing customers, the people that you want to connect with.
Well, we've been happy to obviously take that stress away and being happy to do what we do best, which is, to help build businesses through paid ads, and in your case through Facebook and Instagram. Yes. And so, mate, look, I'll leave it there. I'm really grateful, obviously, to be a part of the 180 Nutrition family, and especially with someone who has their customers' interests at best heart, just as we do yours. There's a lot of things with our values that really overlap.
Absolutely. Well, I've always said, you find a good partner, and it ultimately is a partnership, and that's what it's all about. But you guys have helped us grow and shape the business, and made that side of things so easy, because it's not an area that I want to even think about.
That's it.
I've got enough going on. So
I know you do. Well, really grateful, Stuart, and look forward to catching up again soon.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you, mate. I'll talk to you soon.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See ya.